Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an infant to your Delta Airlines booking. This is essential if you're traveling with a baby under 2 years old who will be sitting on your lap during the flight. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to delta.com. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top menu where you'll see several options for managing your travel. Click on My Trips. This section is where you'll access and modify your existing reservations. Now you'll see a search form asking for your booking details. You'll need to enter your confirmation number, last name, and either your ticket number or SkyMiles number in the designated fields. Once you've filled these in, click the red button to proceed to your reservation. This will pull up your current booking so you can make changes. At this point, I want to pause and mention something important. In this demonstration, I don't have an actual ticket number ready for a specific flight, so I'm going to explain what happens next in the process. After you click that red button with your real booking information, you would then click Find Trip to retrieve your full itinerary. The system will take a moment to load your reservation details, so give it a few seconds to process. Once your booking appears on screen, scroll down until you locate the Special Service Request section. This is where Delta allows you to add various accommodations and services to your trip. Within this section, look for the option labeled Infant in Arms and click Open. This will expand the menu specifically designed for adding lap infants to your reservation. You'll now see the flight segments for your trip listed. Next to each segment, there's a plus sign with the option that says Add Infant in Arms. Click the plus sign next to the flight segment where you want to add your infant. If you're traveling on multiple flights, you may need to do this for each leg of your journey. A form will appear asking for your infant's information. Type in the infant's full name exactly as it appears on their birth certificate, then enter their date of birth and select their gender in the required fields. Make sure all this information is accurate, as airlines are strict about matching passenger details to official documents. After you've entered all the information, click Confirm to save the request. Delta will process this addition to your booking, which usually happens within a few moments. You should receive an updated itinerary via email confirming that the infant has been added to your reservation. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your inbox right away. And that's it. You've successfully added an infant to your Delta Airlines booking, ensuring they're properly registered for your flight. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.